Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Bradley YT. Today we're going to be just talking about Bitcoin and basically what's going on with Bitcoin at the moment, and just do an update basically from what I was talking about yesterday. So basically I said that so this is the 45-minute chart. Basically I said that we were in a bearish flag pattern, and if we do break out of it, then we should be retesting the $30,300 level, and we did. So what I did say is that we would be trading sideways here, and then as soon as we sort of break out of this, then we should be coming up here and retesting the $30,400 level, which we did. So this is basically, so what I can see now is obviously we did tick bullish here, and we are having a pump to the upside. We have just broken out of, on the 45-minute chart, of another bearish flag pattern. So if we do break out of that, then we should be retesting the sort of $30,900 level for Bitcoin, and probably retesting this resistance here of $31,100. If we head over to the, so obviously we're looking fine on the MACD, we're looking fine on the RSI on the 45-minute. If we head over to the 1 hour chart, then we should have a little look at this. So yeah, basically we have ticked bullish here, so we are seeing a pump to the upside. So I should think that we should be coming up and breaking through this resistance here of 30,400, and then sort of coming up here to about 30,900, and then probably retesting $31,100, and then maybe getting rejected here like we did back here, and then coming back down here for support, and then hopefully we can confirm this support. We can see a slow increase of volume as well, which is nice. It's nice to see. Basically it's just nice to see Bitcoin finally going up a small amount, because it's been going down quite a bit recently. If we head over to the 4 hour chart, let's just have a look at this. So yeah, we are in a bullish flag pattern here, and as I said, obviously we are getting, let's have a little look here. So we are getting a slow increase of volume here, and we are obviously going up here on the RSI, and we have obviously ticked bullish here. This is why we are having the pump to the upside here. So yeah, everything is looking nice. I'm hoping that we do sort of head towards the upside as well, and sort of break through this resistance here. It is quite a strong excuse me, it is quite a strong resistance at the moment. Obviously as you can see, so let me just highlight here. So we've obviously failed to break through here, failed to break through here. We did break through, but it looked a bit like a fake out, so we obviously retested this support level of this ascending channel, essentially, and then we obviously come back down back into the sort of these two levels here, and we obviously retested it here. Obviously again we did break out, but we failed to break through. So yeah, Bitcoin's done what I said it would do. In my video yesterday I did say that we were starting to form an inverse head and shoulders pattern, this being the left shoulder, this being the head, and this being the right hand shoulder. So basically when I made my video, we were about here, I think. It was one of these two candles. Yeah, it was yesterday. Yeah, it was around this sort of level here, and I did say obviously this looks like a left shoulder, and this looks like the head, and then this looks like the right hand shoulder starting to form. So yeah, it's nice that it did plan out the way I wanted it to. Obviously we traded a bit longer, so we traded sideways a bit longer, just like I sort of said we would, and then we finally broke out, and we are now sort of retesting this resistance level here of $30,400. I do feel like if we do break out of this bullish flag pattern, then we should be heading towards the upside again, breaking through this 30,400, probably doing what we did here, back here, basically retesting this resistance level here of $31,100, potentially breaking through a little bit and then getting rejected. Or if we don't get rejected, then we'll probably come up here, break through here, and then start coming up here, and sort of trading between these levels here. That's obviously the way I would like to see Bitcoin happen. That's basically what I would like to see happen. But obviously if we do break to the downside, it could be quite a big drop really. It'll be this red candle here. So we break out of this bearish flag pattern here, and then obviously drop to the downside, break through this support of 29,300. Probably end up breaking through the $28,800. I mean, it is quite a strong support level, so hopefully we would stop here. But if we don't, then we would break through, come down to about $28,300, and then start retesting this support level here. But at that point, I would think that we would get bought back up, and then we'll end up quite quickly coming back here, back up to these levels, just like we did back here. No, back here. So we obviously come down, retested the support, and then we very quickly got bought back up. So yeah, obviously because this is pretty much our new sort of low for Bitcoin, of $27,800 is our new low at the moment. But the more likely scenario that I'd like to see is Bitcoin coming up, breaking through this, and retesting the $31,100 level. This could probably be around tomorrow time if we do break through it, or we could end up trading sideways and stay in this bullish flag for a little bit longer. But I do feel like we should be due for a break in the next sort of few hours or by tomorrow, and we should be reaching that $31,100 level by tomorrow. That's obviously what I'd like to see. If we go back to the daily, like I said, I'm not bearish on Bitcoin. I don't think anyone should be sort of bearish at the moment, because I'm not sure what that is there. What's that? So yeah, obviously we're looking fine on the RSI. Obviously we are pumping to the upside. You can see a slow increase of volume here as well, and also, like I said, as soon as we tick bullish here on the MACD on the daily, then we would see a impulsive break to the upside, and I should see us trading around $41,000 again. So that's sort of what I'm waiting to see. Don't just ignore this green sort of line here. This is what this MACD pattern is sort of predicting is going to happen. But hopefully we should be ticking bullish on the MACD fairly soon. But it should obviously be a matter of days, or maybe a couple of weeks. But then at that point, I would see us trading back up around the $41,000 level for Bitcoin. So obviously only time will tell for that. But I wouldn't be too bearish at the moment. We're having nice slow increase of volume, which is probably quite healthy for Bitcoin actually. So yeah, like I said, my prediction was about $40,600 as soon as we tick bullish on the MACD on the daily. We could take a look on the weekly as well. So obviously we're not looking too great on the weekly. Yeah, I mean, but yeah, what I would like to see on the weekly is obviously as soon as we start increasing volume and start getting some more buying pressure in, and then hopefully once we tick bullish on the MACD on the daily, then this could start moving back up here, and then we can also tick bullish on the weekly, and then that's when we would obviously see the nice pump to the upside. But obviously, like I said, only time will tell. Make sure you check out my video I made yesterday of the basically talking about what I think would happen with Bitcoin, and obviously when I basically made my video about the inverse head and shoulders pattern being created. Just check it out. You can also check out my previous videos and just see what you think about those. Comment down below your favourite altcoin, and I'll try and do a altcoin video as well. I would like to get some more, well, basically different videos out at the moment. I'm just talking about Bitcoin and other, like I spoke about Bitcoin, XRP quite regularly, and Shiba the last couple of days. But yeah, obviously this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and do not copy anything that I do. This is only for entertainment purposes only. I will see you guys on the next one. It will be probably between 9 or 10 o'clock tomorrow. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.